Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to show and hide the tab bar on the calendars application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the calendars application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the calendars application. Open up the application. For us to show and hide the tab bar, what we will need to do is go to the taskbar on top. Go to View, go to Show Tab Bar, and go to View again, Hide Tab Bar. And so that's how you hide and show the tab bar. It's very easy. You don't need a degree in rocket science in order for us to access calendar to show and hide the tab bar. It's a very easy tutorial. So we can now quit calendar. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.